The Huepar Laser Level 901CG offers exceptional precision, boasting an accuracy of 1/13 inch at 33 feet, making it a reliable tool for detailed tasks like framing and woodworking. Equipped with both self-leveling and manual modes, this laser level ensures perfect alignment even when slightly tilted, providing flexibility for various projects. The pulse mode feature extends the laser's range to 165 feet when used with a receiver, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. This package includes a 60-inch tripod, enhancing stability and ease of use, and comes with green glasses and a target plate for improved laser visibility and alignment. The switchable laser lines offer adaptability for different tasks, and the laser level can operate continuously for up to 8 hours on 3AA batteries, ensuring long-lasting performance. Designed for both home renovation and professional use, the Huepar Laser Level 901CG is a versatile tool that combines accuracy, convenience, and durability,